Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. Today's unboxing, my first Macy's beauty box. I watch West Coast Weeks, Vicky, and she gets this Macy's beauty box and she unboxed, I think it was October's box, and it just wowed me. And it's $15 a month, and I asked her if she enjoyed it. And she said she was going to cancel it, but yet she got this great box, so she decided to keep it. So for $15, I said, why not? So I got mine, and I can't wait to see what's in it. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're not subscribed to me already, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Tap the notification button so that you get notified of all my future videos and even giveaways. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button. And if you're returning, you know there's no words. I so appreciate your loyalty. So let's get into this box. Again, it's $15 a box a month, and I think they had it and then they took it away and then they came out with it again. So she got like, I think last month's was like a bunch of hair care products, and I'm like, I'm always looking for good hair care products. So I want to see what's in this month. And it just came in this box, and you open it up and it just opens all over the place. And it came, most of it is in this pink tissue paper, and there's some paperwork at the bottom, so let's check out the paperwork. I hope you guys are all having a great day. I'm filming this on a Friday, but I don't know when I'm going to post it. So I hope you all have a great weekend, or if it's during the week, I hope you are all having a great week. The first thing I see is oops. So I don't know if that's a good oops or a bad oops. It says, oops, we had to substitute one of the samples in your box. Sorry about that. But don't worry. We are pretty sure you'll love it. Love what we send instead. Well, since I don't know what I was gonna get, I don't know what they're replacing. And then there's a $5 off your next beauty purchase, and post-workout wonders. So there's this, I'm not sure if that's what's in the box, it's just the card. New Reset Your Skin. Skin Reset is like cleanse. Oh, so there's some samples in here. Skin Reset, so I guess you follow these samples and you will look beautiful. And there's this bag, and it's tie-dye, and my mother, who actually turned 88 today, so happy birthday, Mom. I seen her once. We did social distancing in the driveway months and months ago, and that was it. So I'm hoping that this virus ends soon so I can hug and see Mom again. But she is so into tie-dye. So she would absolutely love this bag. She takes Kleenex everywhere she goes. Now she can put hand sanitizer. Of course, she can't go anywhere, but she can go when she sits out on the porch, or sometimes my sister will take her to the park with the dog. I don't even know if they do that anymore, but what a cute little bag. So I'll fill it up with some goodies for Mom, and I'm sure she will appreciate it. So that's the first thing. I don't know, is there a price in here? Did I pass the price thing? I don't know if this comes with the price thing. I don't see a price thing. Or maybe I don't know. I don't see a price thing. There could be one in here, and I'm just blowing by it. So, this box is just falling all over the place. And I'm unwrapping my tissue paper. Oh, there's lots of goodies. Some very small. The first thing is this SK2 by Patera. It's a facial treatment essence. And it's got very little writing. Not sure what it does, if it's like a toner. So that might be in that one brochure here. So it's a sample. Not sure what it does. And then we have, oh my God. I have never seen anything so small in my entire, look at this. I can't even hold it, it's so tiny. And it's by PYT, and it's something. It looks like it could be a lip gloss maybe. I'm gonna put it on my hand because I'm not really sure what it is. It feels like it's like a lip gloss. Okay. It's so tiny. Alrighty then. And then we got this thing that's like opened. It's like half opened. And it's Dermablend loose setting powder. Okay. It's definitely a sample size. It's kind of open, but it's not open. You'd have to open it. And it's so tiny, I don't know if I can open it. But again, I would definitely try that. Then we have a tan towel. Look Good Naked. All right, a little too much information there. So I have used these before, and I think I ordered some of these years and years and years ago off of HSN or QVC. And just to let you know, they turn your skin orange. I've tried like 3 or 4 when I was living in Chicago. You don't get, you know, the sun like you do in Arizona. And I tried this, and I tried like several others, and this is an orange one. So I personally would not try it again because, yeah, it was orange. And you know, everybody's skin is different and super white, and you know, when you have white skin and you use a product like that, the first thing it does is turn orange. Maybe when you have some color and you use a product like that, it works with the color that you already have. But for me, no. Then we have a perfume sample by Angel Mugler Eau de Toilette. Again, it's a tiny sample, and I will probably open this and get it every there's a spring, so I don't know if it was a perfume sample because the little slinky thing came out of it. Oh my word, is it a roller? What is this thing? Okay, I'm smelling it. I'm really not sure what it is. I thought it was a perfume sample, but the springer came out. It smells good, but I've never seen a springer, so help me. Vicky, I hope you're watching this and help me. Oh, I just sprayed this everywhere. Okay. So then Jean Paul Gautier, this is male, it says Le Male. Definitely not gonna open this one. And yeah, I totally reek right now. And then we got Jackie True Fit Promise, fits and flatters, dress sizes 4 to 14, hipster fit. Okay. What is it? I guess I should have looked for a card. Is this? Oh, this must be, no, because there's no maybe there was supposed to be eyeliner in here because I didn't see eyeliner. There's the tan towel. There's the no sweat body defense. I didn't see that. I see the PYT Beauty plumping lip gloss. That must be what that little tiny thing was. Okay, I'm onto something. Then there's the Dermablend loose setting powder. Then the SK2 Power Radical New Age Cream. I don't know what it does. Oh, these are underwear? These are underwear. And then there was the 2 perfumes. Okay, so this is underwear. Okay. This was definitely a very interesting Macy's box. Let me know if you get Macy's box. Let me know if you got this. This is supposed to fit like small to large. I don't know, obviously I am not going to try these on in front of you. I just okay, so let me know what you thought of this Macy's box. Oh, here's everything that was in there because I see the little bag. I like the bag. I know Mom will like the bag. This perfume, it smells okay. Obviously you're not supposed to shower in it like I did. And the tan towel, again, my experience, orange. This lip gloss thing, you know, it's gonna get lost if I put it in a purse or whatever. I will try the Dermablend, and I hate to say, Vicki, this, you know, for $15, yeah, it was worth it, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it going. What do you ladies think? Do you get this? These just crack me up because there's like, I guess they're supposed to be like maybe no panty lines, but so again, thank you for watching. I don't know what to say, and you guys have an awesome day.